friends, salam, namaste, sat sri akal, kim cho, kamo nacho. How are all of you keeping? I hope all of you all are keeping safe, in good health, and taking good care of yourself in this festive season. So this is Anu, and I'm so glad to see you back into my channel. Today I am going to show you this look that I have done for this evening, for this Durga Puja evening. It's Navami here, in some places it's Dasami. So happy Navami, and if it is Dasami at your place, happy Dasera, happy Dashami at your place, Vijaya Dashami. So this is the look I've done for the evening. It's a nice pastel yellow shade with pinkish kind of a makeup that I've done. And to know more about this garment and the makeup and the look that I've created, you have to go move ahead and see what's happening.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how.
So my makeup is done, as you can see. Today I'm going to go for a pastel kind of a color, a light color for the evening. I'm wearing this nice long tunic, long kurti from Biba. I shall give you all the details of it. And the makeup I've done with this is also pinkish, because it would complement these pink flowers which are there in this kurti. So this kurti that I got from Biba, as you can see, is made out of tissue silk. Okay, this material is very light. So this is a two-piece garment that I have got, and this is going to go underneath. This is like inner, but a very flowy layered inner. Okay, and on top of that it's going to be this long kurti. Okay, it's a A-line cut. Okay, so it's going to look very good with the cotton inner that I'm going to wear, because it's in frill, it's in layered, it's in 2-3 layers at the bottom, as you can see this is in layers. Okay, and this is, as I said, is of tissue silk. Very nice material. It is very comfortable to wear for Kolkata's humid weather. Okay, and it's got a metallic zari work. If you can see, it shines. It's got a metallic zari work. It's got beautiful pink roses. It's got hand embroidery also. There are the sutaka kam with little bit of sequins. Okay, and it's got tassels at both the sides. Okay, so this is a A-line kind of a dress, underneath which this inner will be there. It's a layered inner, and this is the look that I chose for today's evening of Durga Puja Navratri. So let's go and change into it.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
look, as you can see. It's a two-piece garment, and the cotton underneath and this tissue silk which is on top. It's got these tassels, zari tassels with the same color of the fabric at two sides. It's got a bit of work in the neck, and it's a 3/4 sleeve, all right. And it's got this metallic print with this, and little bit of flowers in it. It's got a gold kind of a appeal, so very festive. If one wears it, it's like really very traditional and with the mood of a festival. So perfect, I think, for this evening out. And with this, I have done a bit of a pink kind of a makeup with earrings, bindi, no neck piece, and little bit of a bracelet that I've worn. So this is what it is for today. I hope you are enjoying my videos, and if you are, then do give in your likes, do give in your comments, and subscribe to my channel by hitting the bell button. So for more such interesting videos coming your way about fashion, about reviews, about product infos, about makeup, about vlog, about my daily life, about my city, about my anything that I can think of, do keep in tuned. Do subscribe to me and be a part of my family. So till I see you in the next video, bye bye.